Hi everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about an update from YouTube where they say that you can turn your current content, which is a long format video, into short, and this was definitely help to boost your long video content. So these are the basic steps that you can take. Step 1 is that you have to open your YouTube app. After that, you're going to choose a video from your channel. You're going to click edit into a short to share a video or a short highlight that is less than 60 seconds. I'm now going to demonstrate this process in detail. So here on my mobile screen, you can see the YouTube app from Google Apps. So I'm simply going to click this YouTube icon. And as soon as I click the YouTube icon, my main page of videos would appear shortly. And at the bottom, you see this library option. You're going to click this. And from here, I'm going to click your videos option, and after that you'll see all the videos that you have uploaded till now. So it will take a few minutes. Here are my videos. So I'm going to select this no bake dessert in 10 minutes. It will open on YouTube and start playing. So after the description, you'll see this remix button. You're simply going to click this, and after that you're going to click the edit into a short button. As soon as you click this, you have this option right in front of you. Here it is by default 15-second short, and you can drag it forward if you want to make another section a part of your short, and you can also drag from the end to make it longer or even shorter. Right, so this is I'm going to demonstrate like this. I'm going to click at the end of this button, 15-second one, and when you see, I've dragged it backwards, so the short is becoming shorter. It was 15 seconds, now it's of 7 seconds. You can even make it longer by dragging at the right corner of your screen. So this is how you can adjust the length of your screen to a maximum of 60 seconds. So your short can be of maximum 60 seconds and minimum whatever you want. So this is how I've done it, and I'm now going to click the next button. As soon as I click next, here is my short, a preview of my short. So if you find it okay, you are going to click this upper next button and give it a title. For example, I'm going to give it a title of my short, and at the bottom, I'm going to click upload. So it is uploading. Now my video has been uploaded. I will see video, and here my short address is ready with the caption of my short. So it's as easy as that.